what have you been finding out about this week?
2 words, Tom. Car wash. Swirly whirlies, jet washes, blokes with sponges. What have you just done to my car? We wanted to find out the best place you should take your pride and joy, where they'll give it a damn good wash without damage.
Buying a new car brings about a sense of pride and paternal love. You wash it and care for it like a pet. But then winter comes and the novelty wears off.
So, you take your car to a car wash and all of a sudden all your worries are over. But are they really?
We're going to test 3 types of wash: a car wash, a jet wash and a £3 hand wash to find out what effect they have on your paintwork. First, we need 3 identical cars and a car washing expert. Enter Paul Townsend.
Now tell us, what have you done to these bonnets?
Okay, all 3 cars have been prepared exactly the same.
Right.
They've had a 2-stage polishing process to get rid of the existing swirls and scratches. They've then been treated with a pre-wax cleaner which removes any contaminants and oils. And then the world's most expensive car wax, which comes in at £1,300 a pot, has been applied.
1,300 quid?
Absolutely.
So these are absolute perfection. Am I allowed to touch them?
I'd rather you didn't.
Would you beat me if I did?
I could do.
First up, the car wash.
Thank you.
Thanks very much, sir.
Let's get started.
Thank you.
In the car wash. Oh, listen to that. Ooh. That's not nice. So what do you think of this then, Paul?
I can't believe it, Tim. That was painful to watch. So what it's done to your wing mirrors every time?
Right, if it's done that to the wing mirrors, you want to have a look at the bonnet.
It's all that work undone in an instant.
Right, let's go on with the jet wash then. Hey, look, he's ready for us.
Here's my mate Roy. He's going to help clean the car so I can keep my jeans dry.
The brush. Is the brush killing the car?
Well, yes. Every person here today has left that on the ground, and now you're rubbing all that grit into the paintwork.
Right, so one car's had the car wash, one's had the jet wash, and this one's having a bit of a treat. This one's having a hand job.
They seem to be taking care of the car, and it's nice to have some light relief from doing it myself.
They're not using sponges, they're using like weird things.
No, it looks like chenille wash mix, which is a good thing. It's not sponges.
A good wash mitt. Tell me about these scratchy, scrapey silicone thingies.
It's a weapon of mass destruction for paint.
Is it really?
Because you only need one little bit of grit, and it will be doing hundreds of pounds worth of damage in just an instant.
Time to check out the cars.
Right.
Paul inspects the bonnets in fine detail with UV lights and a microscope. He's looking for the car that's least damaged and will give it a score out of 10. The lowest score wins.
Now let's start with this one, the car wash. So what is the damage to this car?
Okay, looking at the paint, it looks a little bit dull compared to how we left it this morning.
Yeah.
And also of note is all the watermarks, which the other cars don't show.
Okay, so that's the car wash. Out of 10, damage done.
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Right, the next one.
This is the jet wash.
Okay. That one is absolutely scratched to hell.
And this is what happened by using the broom with the grit on it.
Right, marks out of 10, damage-wise?
I'd actually say 9 out of 10.
And finally, this one, the hand wash.
Remember I said about the squeegee blade? If it hadn't have been for that, it would have been okay.
Out of 10?
I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10 for damage?
Yep.
Wow, thank you very much for today. Enlightening stuff. So,